What's up everyone? Today we're going to take a deep dive into one of the most famous headsets in the gaming world when it comes to value for money, the Redragon Zeus X. The market for budget peripherals is a jungle, full of broken promises. But this one right here is different. It has built a reputation for delivering much more than its price tag suggests. The question is all this hype justified? Let's find out. And before I forget, if you get interested in the Zeus X during the video, I'll be leaving affiliate links for Amazon and other platforms down in the description and in the top pinned comment. By using them, you help support the channel at no extra cost to you. Right from the start, the experience feels different. It comes in a large box, almost like a little coffin, which gives off a much more premium vibe than you'd expect for the price. Inside, besides the headset, you find the basics: a manual and a Redragon sticker. Holding it for the first time, it's not as heavy as it looks, which is already a good sign for long usage sessions. Let's talk about the build, which is where many budget headsets cut corners. The Zeus X is made of a very sturdy plastic. It's flexible, doesn't make those old plastic creaking sounds, and holds up well to daily use. The finish is a rubberized material that provides a good grip, but be prepared because it's a true fingerprint magnet. Every single smudge is visible, so you'll have to clean it often if you want to keep it looking nice. But the real highlight in terms of comfort, for me, is the earpads. Unlike most competitors that use that pleather material that peels over time, the Zeus X comes with fabric earpads. This is a smart trade-off. You lose a little bit in sound isolation, but you gain a lot in comfort and breathability. Your ears won't get sweaty after an hour of gaming. Over time, the foam molds to the shape of your head, making it even more comfortable. The height adjustment band is also firm, with well-defined clicks, and it doesn't get loose over time, a chronic problem in other models. Now, let's move on to the part that divides opinions and honestly, my biggest criticism: the cable. It's thick, braided, and looks like it will last forever. The problem is that it has terrible memory. It's constantly twisting and forming knots. Almost every day you have to stop to untangle the cable. Additionally, in the middle of it is the controller for volume, mute, and RGB. I'm personally not a fan of inline controls, and this one is a bit clunky. Now, let's talk about the microphone. It's not detachable, but the build feels durable, not flimsy. The boom arm is very flexible, maybe even too much so, which can sometimes make it a bit tricky to position it perfectly, but what really matters is how it sounds. And here, it goes way beyond expectations for its price range. The capture quality is surprisingly clear, and the volume is great, it's not quiet. Your friends on Discord or in-game chat will hear you perfectly, without that walkie-talkie sound. For in-game communication, it's perfect and does its job commendably. And how does it sound? The audio quality is its strong suit. It has what we call a V-shaped sound signature. This means the bass and treble are enhanced. For gaming, this is fantastic. Explosions have impact, gunshots sound crisp, and you can hear footsteps clearly, giving you a good sense of direction. For listening to music, especially genres like hip-hop or electronic, it's very fun and energetic. It's definitely not a headphone for those seeking a neutral, flat sound, but for entertainment, it's excellent. Now, about the software. Yes, it exists, but the recommendation is to not even install it. It's confusing and doesn't offer any real advantages over the controls you already have in Windows. The headset already sounds great without it. So, the final verdict: the Redragon Zeus X isn't perfect. For the price, the positives crush the negatives. You get a build that lasts, above average comfort thanks to the fabric earpads, and a fun, competent sound quality for gaming. It's a product that is, without a doubt, the champion in its price range. If you're looking for your first serious gaming headset or want an upgrade from a simpler model without breaking the bank, the Zeus X remains one of the best, if not the best recommendation I can make. And just a reminder, if you've decided the Zeus X is for you, the links to buy it on Amazon and other stores are down in the description and the pinned comment. Go check them out. That's it for today, folks. If this review helped you out, drop a like. Thanks, and see you next time.